runs in the family, or jumps.
What do you want?
Want?
Well, you may as well get it off your chest. Tell me how ugly I am.
Ugly?
There, I hope you feel better now.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hang on a minute. Do you mind if we hop off and come back on again?
I mean, have a word with yourself, Feathers. Who are we to call you ugly? Look at us.
There. I mean, connect the dots. If we're talking ugly, they don't come more aesthetically challenged than us. I know what your trouble is. You've been preening yourself too much.
What do you mean? You've got down in the mouth. Nothing. Getting nothing.
I know how you feel, but you mustn't let it depress you. I started out as a blob of jelly and it's been downhill ever since. I just say to myself, I'm just a handsome prince in frog's clothing just waiting for someone to come along and kiss me and release my inner beauty. And then I say to myself, now get real. Who wants to kiss a frog?
You know what our trouble is?
No?
Our image isn't in vogue. That's all. It's a question of taste. But you mark my words, one day ugly will be it.
If you just sit tight on your lily pad, each silly fad will pass.
Then those who sport this season's load will fall flat on there. Ask your mother what it's called.
Oh.
For fashion is a fickle thing, but just you wait and see. The day will come when we're in style, and then I guarantee out there someone's gonna love you. Someone's gonna love you. Warts and all. Out there, just around the corner, in a lonesome corner, someone's gonna fall for you. Though
I got that on camera.
Warts and all, somewhere out there.
I got that on camera.
We can say where but someone is gonna fall for you. Though I'm Tyrannosaurus Rexy, someone find me sexy. They'll find you sexy. We know you're gonna have a ball. 'Cause out there someone's gonna love ya. Someone's gonna love ya. Somewhere out there, someone's gonna love. We don't know where. Someone's gonna love. Someone will care. They're gonna love ya, warts and all. Somewhere out there, everybody goes. We can't say where. Someone's gonna fall. The chances small, it's true. Just think, whenever you need boosting, one day you'll be roosting with a mate. Soon you'll be roosting, though it may take some time to find him. When you do, you'll have a ball. We know you're gonna have a ball. 'Cause out there someone's gonna love ya. Out there someone's gonna love ya. Out there somewhere, someone's gonna love ya. Warts and all, warts and all, warts and all. Well, I must stop. I'll be seeing you, feathers. And remember, one day it will be us who are the flavor of the month. Oops, what am I saying?
If you ever find yourself near the duck yard, do call in. I'd love you to meet my family.
Well, we hope you find them all right. Stay warm, stay cheerful. See ya, ribbit, ribbit.